Hi guys. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to kind of use up what you have in the refrigerator and create something, out of what, you need to use up. So the quickest thing this morning I'm doing is like a little Italian breakfast here. So I've got like a couple tablespoons of olive oil in the skillet. And the first thing I want to do is I'm going to put my onions, and I've got about 2 tablespoons of onions. And then I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of chopped up, very finely chopped up pepperoni that I had left over. And now I'm going to add about a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon that is, of pesto. And then I'm going to add a little bit of spinach, chopped up spinach. Now the first time, many years ago when I was just 17 years old, I had an opportunity to learn something new, and so we had a parts house. I didn't really know how to do anything with car parts and stuff, but I had to learn, and I got really good at it. And the funny thing is, I sewed cherry bomb mufflers, and I sewed so many cherry bomb mufflers in Houston that I actually won a trip to Italy. Now, I had never really been out of Texas except to go to Disneyland when I was a small child, or up to Arkansas. But that's kind of funny because I won that trip and it took us to Italy. Okay, so then I'm going to add my 1 egg. And I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Turn that down a little bit. Okay, that's off now. Okay, now I'm going to take my bottom of my ciabatta bread, and I'm just going to mash that down to kind of appease that in there. So the trip flew us to Paris, and then after a couple of days of Paris, then it flew us over to Italy. Beautiful place. Okay, so now at that point, I'm going to flip it. And I'm just going to put the top on there. And so I now have an Italian breakfast, just that quick. Just a little sandwich of what I had in the refrigerator, left over that I need to use. And that's it. I'm going to add a few little grapes. And there you have it, my Italian breakfast, quick and simple. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, please do. So, ciao.